Hello guys, welcome back again to my TikTok. And for this day, I'm just want to let you know guys that I don't know if I'm gonna post later or tomorrow, maybe later. I don't know what time. I don't know if I'm gonna post this video to IG short term for Instagram and um IG, yes, TikTok and FB because and YouTube channel of course. Kaya kasi nasa TikTok wala bang. So yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna be posting later but um at least update ko kayo. Ito na yung video na update. So yeah. And guys, just comment if you want just comment what you want me to sing or because I'm gonna make it full version naman eh. And yes.